Assalamualaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and having good health. In our today's lecture, we will study about the percentage composition of the solution. As we have already learned that mainly we have the concentration of solution, then how we can be able to measure that. We are going to find the concentration of the solution. Then to measure the concentration of the solution, we can use the two methods from which the first one method we have, it is the percentage. That how we can find the percentage, basically by definition the percentage of the solution, we can write it or we can call it as is the total percentage of solute. It is the total percentage of solute present in the solution. It is known as the percentage of the solution. So that what is the amount of basically solute present in the solution is called percentage composition, or the other in simple words for this we can have that the number of parts of solute that are present in 100 parts of solution. That if we are going to divide the solution into 100 parts, now how many number of parts of the solute are present in it, this is called as the percentage composition. And to find the percentage composition, we have it's basically four methods. The first one percentage we have, it is percentage mass by mass. Second we have mass by volume percentage. Then third one we have mass by volume, or we have volume by mass percentage. And the fourth one we have volume by volume percentage. So these four are the methods to find the percentage of the solution. So let's discuss it one by one. The first one we have percentage mass by mass. So percentage mass by mass is mainly can be written as it is the total number of grams of solute. It is the grams of solute that is present in 100 grams of solution. This is known as the percentage mass by mass, that both the solute and the solvent are taken in grams. For example, if we call that this solution is 10% mass by mass sugar, it means that we have dissolved 10 grams of sugar in 90 grams of water, and the total solution will we have it is 100 grams. And the formula that we use to write the percentage mass by mass of the solutions, we have it is percentage mass by mass. It is equal to mass of solute, and that mass of solute will be in grams divided by mass of solute plus mass of solvent, or we can say that the mass of solution, it must also be in grams multiplied by 100. So we can use this formula to find the percentage mass by mass of the solution. Next we have third form, with second form, which is the percentage mass by volume. So the percentage mass by volume, we means that it is a total grams of solute, number of grams of solute which is present or dissolved in 100 centimeter cube of the solution. So look here, the solute will be in the grams as the volume. So it's mean the solution or the solvent will be in centimeter cube. And example, if a solution have 10% mass by volume sugar, and this is the solution, it's mean that this solution is having 10 grams of sugar, because this mass is going to be show that this 10% means it is in grams, and is going to be dissolved in 100 centimeter cube of solution, or we can say that if we have solvent, then it must be 90 centimeter cube, and total composition will be the 100 centimeter cube. The formula for this, we have percentage mass by volume, it is equal to mass of solute, it is in grams, divided by volume of solution, and it is in centimeter cube. As the unit for volume we use centimeter cube, multiply it with the 100. So this is percentage mass by volume. And the third one, we have percentage volume by mass. So when we have percentage volume by mass, it's mean it is the total volume in centimeter cube of solute that get dissolved in 100 gram of solution. So here the volume, it is going to show the solute, and that mass is going to be show the solvent. So the example for this, we have, if we have 10% volume by mass alcohol, then what does mean by this, how we can be able to have the concentration from this? It's mean we have 10 centimeter cube of alcohol that is dissolved in the water total to make it 100 grams. So the formula then we have for this, it is the percentage volume by mass, which is equal to the volume of solute, it must be in centimeter cube, and divided by mass of the solution, that is in grams, and we will multiply it with the 100, because the percentage means we have divided it into the 100 parts. So this is the percentage volume by mass. At the end we have the last one, which is the percentage volume by volume, and the fourth one, it's mean we have the basically volume of the solute, or in centimeter cube, that get dissolved per 100 centimeter cube of the solution. So this is the total volume of the solute dissolved per 100 centimeter cube of the solution. For example, if we have a solution and its percentage is 30% alcohol. What does mean by this? It's mean that we have dissolved 30 centimeter cube of alcohol in sufficient water to make the total volume of the solution is 100 centimeter cube. And the formula that we will use for this, it is percentage volume by volume. Both the solute and solvent will be in the centimeter cube, and it we denote it like this: volume of solute and volume of solution. Both will be in centimeter cube and we will multiply it with 100. So this is the formula for percentage volume by volume. And this is all about the today's lecture. And in the next video, we will discuss about the second concentration unit, which is molarity. For that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.